fireworks.
It's lucky you told me.
That's not fair.
Wait, so you hear the dun when the big one's about to go off?
Yeah.
How loud?
Watch them, then you know.
Yeah, watch them, and you'll see when in a minute it's do.
Is
Boom.
that the big one?
There should be another one. There it is. Boom. It wasn't as big.
Oh, I love these ones.
Yeah, they saved the massive ones till the end.
Oh, this is so good, ain't it?
The bush tried to steal my hat. Jazz. I bet a dog.
Two duffs. That was a good one.
Thank you.
Another duff.
Boom.
My favourite
Another
one
duff.
was the one
Boom.
You don't have
Boom. Wow, that was a cool one. Boom.
That one was a good one.
I like that one. The green one's
Yeah,
pretty
they're
cool
nice.
as
I like the
well.
way they fall down. Another big one. Two big ones, three big ones.
Boom, boom.
My favourite ones are the ones that light up the sky for a second.
Yeah, same.
And then it looks like the sky's pink or blue. Oh, here we go.
Here's a big one. This is bigger than that.
Another light.
That's the only light I've got.
Another, oh yes, you've actually light.
Oh, look at the big one.
Boom! I'm embarrassing, Chloe.
No.
What did you say?
Am I embarrassing,
Yes.
Chloe? Shut up.
That was nice.
Yeah, that
Did you
was
see that? It
cool.
blew up in a swirl.
Yeah.
I've never seen one of them before. That must be a new one, because I've never seen that before.
Right, move on.
That was cool, that swirly one. To be able to get it to come out as a swirl.
I love that.
Did you see how that caught up with that one?
Yeah, rather quick.
Yeah.
Oh, here comes big thing.
That's the big one coming out. A little
That's pretty cool.
Sparkly.
For a little measly
When you see
one.
ones like those.
I can't wait to the finale.
Yeah, I've got to
I
admit, the
like
end bit is the best bit.
finale.
I've never fucked up this fireworks before I've worn.
She's walking past the fucking kid and not even
Burn out
watching.
just
Yeah, I
Selfish
know.
bitch.
Maybe the kid got scared.
No.
Yeah, we had to go home one year, remember? Thank you.
What?
She dunked under the camera because she knew I was recording.
Oh, bless her.
Yeah.
The ones you burn out just before they blow up. And they're the ones that are colourless.
Yeah.
The big colours. And the only ones with still flame before they blow up.
I love you with all my heart. I love you. Please.
I never would.
You've been the most supportive person in my life and I will never forget that. Even if you died for me, you would be my thought, every thought of every second of every day. And you would be. We looked at us in disgust.
I love ending my day with fireworks.
You do know when you talk about me, you can't just talk louder so I can hear you.
Sorry, you looked at us in disgust.
Look at that big one.
The social workers made me feel a lot more confident.
Yeah.
Boom!
I'm watching it on the phone. I'm watching it on the phone
Do
more.
you know it's better watching it in real life?
No, I know.
Woo!
I want to make sure I'm getting it though. the big ones, you know, the ones that go up really high.
They're pretty cool, aren't they? I don't want to be in anyone's videos, she just said as she walked past you.
I lifted it up as well. And if you don't like want to be in someone's video, make sure you don't walk past someone's video.
Dad,
Yeah.
this week's gone by way too quick.
It has gone well
It
quick.
always does, Jason. You wait until you're an adult. Boom!
Still fun.
Boom!
Oh, I love fireworks.
This one's a big one. It sounded bigger than that.
Wow, I like that.
That was a big one.
Jason.
Woo! Look, another green one, look.
Yeah. It goes down slowly as well,
Can you
doesn't it?
watch it in real life?
I love the ones that tend to be big, but they're just so tiny.
Boom!
Should be another one. There you go.
Oh,
I knew there was two big ones. You can see them go up if you watch.
Boom! 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 Boom!
oh,
That's not bad. That's 6 minutes now. That must fucking cost a bomb.
Oh wow, look at them red ones.
Yeah, it's so pretty. Hello, everyone.
I've got to admit I enjoy this.
Yeah, it's so cool.
They're gonna have to
Couple of big ones.
The finale in a minute. I know it is.
Well, it must be. We were here 2 minutes late and it's still 7 minutes.
Whoa. Here comes the
Here
big
we
one,
go!
guys.
Oh, that was a big one.
Boom!
oh, look, you see that firework before it went up. What's the any of them?
I hope everyone's enjoying it.
I reckon.
If you're enjoying it the most.
Two big ones. Oh, that weren't that big. Oh, that was pretty cool though.
They are pretty cool, I've got to admit.
It's down.
It's not the finale yet.
I'm gonna ask you this.
Alright, be careful, you sniff that.
Hello.
Hello!
This is so good.
You're right there, Chloe, you're off.
Dad, the fireworks were a lot quieter than I
Like
remember.
everyone else is here. They're watching.
I still remember them banging in my ears. Now I just feel a lot more flat.
Yeah.
Is it because I'm used to them?
The whole
Yeah.
family's here.
How do you even get
I
inside
reckon the
the area?
finale's coming in a
Chloe,
minute.
did you hear that?
Is this the
Knocking
finale?
you all out.
You're right, just to embarrass you. Woo!
We could have waited for a big one.
Well, no, some now.
Dance.
Woo!
Oh! Big one.
Nope.
The finale.
That's a no straight away.
That's the finale.
Nope.
Yes, this is not the finale.
Not yet.
Oh, when's the finale?
It's getting close, I can feel
It
it.
looks like a finale.
Yeah, it's getting close.
Did you hear me have to rip myself away from the bush now?
Yeah. It's caught to your hat or your
Oh,
coat.
I've never seen those ones.
Can't.
Oh, those ones like literally lit up the sky for 6 seconds.
That was a nice one.
First
That
try
is
to kill
cool.
me. I'm gonna
I think that. Don't tell me they did that as the finale.
No way.
They did.
Please no. That was a crappy finale if it was.
Yeah, I think that was it. Yep, we're done by the looks of it.
Wait, at least
Bye, people.
a minute.
It's the internet.
Say bye, Jazz.
Bye-bye,
Bye.
guys.
Say bye. Bye, hey! I'm an epic hitcher, I'm famous!
Wait.